Hi, my name is Barrie Crampton. Welcome to another episode of Not the Evangelist News. Today I'd like to talk about rising repair costs on EVs. How the usual suspects keep telling you that EVs are cheaper to run and cheaper to repair, cheaper to service, but yet the warranty companies are telling you different. I do know the warranties have an agenda too. But so, you see, that's the thing. People get onto me and say, oh, the warranty company's trying to frighten you to death, so you take out a warranty. Yes, that's what they do. But then you've got the EV shills saying EVs are cheaper to repair, they're cheaper to run, they're cheaper to service. Well, they've got an agenda too. So, who do you believe? Who do you believe? We'll just go through this. Pinnacle EV warranty enhanced to address rising repair costs. Pinnacle, I've never heard of Pinnacle Warranties. Pinnacle Warranties has launched its enhanced EV hybrid warranty, designed to address growing consumer concerns about the reliability and repair costs of used electric and hybrid vehicles. So not only are they worried about the costs, they're worried about reliability. With EV repair costs averaging up to 50% higher than those of comparable internal combustion engines, ICE vehicles. The new warranty aims to support car dealers in marketing pre-owned EVs. We're frightened to death of them. Absolutely frightened to death. If anything goes wrong, there's so little profit on EVs. If anything goes wrong, your profit just goes. In fact, your profit just doesn't go on that vehicle. It'll probably go on 5 other vehicles as well, because it'll wipe them all out. With EV repair costs averaging up to 50% higher than those of comparable internal combustion engines ICE vehicles, the new warranty aims to support car dealers in marketing pre-owned EVs. EVs feature specialised components such as high-capacity batteries, electric motors and advanced power electronics, all of which are expensive to repair or replace. The high voltage systems often require trained technicians and specialised equipment, further driving up labour costs. Well, they also require longer standing time because the batteries have to be left to drain. They have to be cordoned off. You have to use special tools. You need a specially trained mechanic. He needs to wear rubber gloves, leather gloves to make sure you don't rip the rubber gloves, insulated tools, and in the corner there has to be like a big sheep hook, so that if you make a mistake and you touch the wrong thing, one of your colleagues can drag your corpse off the wire, stop the workshop stinking up. Batteries are a particular concern due to their complexity and cost. Replacement prices can range from $4,000 to $20,000 depending on the vehicle model and battery size. I'd say that is an underestimate as well, because I did see a Porsche advertised at £56,945 and it had just had a new battery fitted for the cost of £55,000. So basically they should have just thrown the Porsche away. Pinnacle's new warranty offers comprehensive coverage for vehicles up to 15 years old or with a mileage up to 150,000 miles. It includes coverage for key components such as AC-DC converters, inverters and control modules, contributions towards the cost of battery replacement and support for other specialised EV hybrid systems. So contributions, even they're not comfortable covering batteries. You know, if they did have an agenda, and if they were trying to frighten you into buying a warranty for your EV, but it was a scam, they'd cover the batteries, wouldn't they? But they're frightened as well. It's not just people who are going to buy EVs that are frightened of the cost of a battery. The warranty company's frightened of the cost of a battery too. They won't cover it. Only a contribution. Anthony Marshall, director of Pinnacle Warranties, commented, "Our new warranty sets a new benchmark in addressing the unique challenges of EV ownership. helping to build confidence in the used EV market. EV drivers are increasing, I'm assuming that should be increasingly, concerned about repair affordability, and this remains a significant barrier. Oh no, that's me. And this remains a significant barrier for many potential and current EV owners. EV repairs continue to be significantly higher than for internal combustion engines, ICE vehicles. Our new EV/hybrid warranty will support dealers across the UK with unparalleled coverage across a broader range of vehicles, providing cover for the complexity of EV diagnostics and software and higher repair bills, with EV repair costs averaging up to 50% higher than those for comparable internal combustion engine ICE vehicles. There you go, make your own mind up. I'm just reading out what they say. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye bye.